Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a calculator to your Wix website. Since Wix doesn't offer this feature directly, we're going to use an external widget. But don't worry, because it's completely free of charge and you don't need to submit any credit card information. The first step is to go to the website we'll be using. I've put the link in the description down below that takes you straight to the page I'm on, so go ahead and click there. And once you're on ElfSite, you simply need to go up and hover over widgets. From here, go to Form section and click the calculator here. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for Free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. You can expand the window by clicking these arrows here. Now the first step here is to choose a template. There are over 100 templates here from different categories that you can choose, so just choose the one that is the closest to what you're looking for, and you can customize the design later on if you want to match your branding. For this demo, I'll go ahead with this template. From here, you can go ahead and click Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. As you can see, there are three options here, which are Build, Style, and Settings. The Build option is where you set up the structure or main logic of the calculator. You can do it by using the ElfSite AI or manually set up the fields and calculations. You can also write the header and the result actions in these tabs. For example, in the Field section, you can add number of t-shirts, choose t-shirt type, and choose printing option. And in the calculation, you can add the formula for discount or generate it with AI. Next, we move on to Style, where you can choose how you want your calculator to look like. You can choose the layout from these options and change the font. After that, you can change the style of the background, text, field accents, results background, and action button. For example, I want to change the results background color from pale green to a brighter green. After changing the color, click Done and move to the last option, which is Settings. In the Settings option, you can set the separator for thousands and decimal, and change the width and language of your widget, and edit text if you need to. Once you are ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into ElfSite. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, just go up to the top right corner and click this green Publish button. And now you are on the page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code. And now it's time to head back to our Wix website editor. Once you are on your Wix website editor, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I will add this to my home page, which I can select right here. Then choose the section that you want to add your widget to. Click Add Section. Then click Add Elements. Go down to Embed Code, choose Popular Embeds, and choose Embed HTML. When this window pops up, paste the ElfSite code here by clicking Ctrl-V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste. Then click Update. After that, you just need to adjust the size of the widget by clicking and dragging the small dots like this. Expand the section by dragging this arrow up and down to fit the entire widget. Another thing that I want to add is how to remove the scroll bar and change the font of the widget. You can do it by using personalized codes that I will share in the video description below, so you can use it if you want to. First, to remove the scroll bar, you have to drag this quad down a bit. Then copy the first code by highlighting it. Click Ctrl-C on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Copy. From here, go back to Wix, right-click your widget and choose Edit Code. Paste the code to the first line by clicking Ctrl-V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste. Next, to change the font, you can copy the second code in the document. Click Enter here to add a new line, then paste the code and click Update. As you can see, the scroll bar isn't here anymore and the font has changed. Now let's click the Preview button at the top right to see the final result. And as you can see, we now have a calculator on our Wix website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.